This video shows how to install a special Angular version. So in my administrator command, which is in here, administrator, I'm typing npm install -global at Angular /CLI and then the version. So this is version 16. Currently is the latest version is 18. But I want to check something. Before I started, I installed the Node.js completely. Again, inclusive checking here this Node.js, and therefore I also had a look on the chocolatey subversion. When you install it, you get some options, and keep in mind that everything is in there, otherwise it doesn't run. So I'm starting this one, and I will have a look on the dev express if Angular dev kit is in there, and you will see this one when it's starting. We will see if the subversions are going in there. So we have the in-flight, npm CLI, and the dev kit is not there. So this is nice. And now we create a new version. We say, we go to our application, not in here, we go somewhere else to our Visual Code application. So I'm opening a folder. This is my Angular folder. In there I say, okay, I need a new, I'm opening a new case, new, I want to create something new. And in here I say, this is my application where I'm the folder. I say a new terminal, and from there we say ng new. First we say ng version. So it's ng version without dash dash. So we see now the version 16 is installed. That's very important. Because I had a lot of problems, and there's also the dev kit installed. This was installed when on the version 16 with the version. So these are the submodules. And now we say ng new, and then I say we're testing a file. So we say Angular 16 test test image, and that's it. Would you like to add Angular routing in there? Yes. That's for the components. CSS, yes. Now it's installing all that stuff. It's also installed here the launch, which is necessary for starting with the app, and then the app, a lot of app stuff. So the app component is the central part in there. It's the app HTML is what we see there, and normally there also comes a second package, and now you see it's running up for a while, but that's good. So and now you see it's A16 was done. So we go open this in integrated terminal. Now we say ng serve to test if it's running. Generating browsing application bundles. And I see this one is that's the previous CLI, which shows it in this pretty nice stuff. So this is CLI. the version Angular 16, and from there it is very important to see if we have if we see under our source app here under the assets folder. You see under the assets folder, when you create a new file there, if you drop a file in there, this one is loaded. Let's see, that's this changed. We go there, we say the app, here this is the image and files. Here it was, the new one is public, called public, and now we say test1, and we go to this new file, and in there it's not public anymore, it is the assets folder. And under assets, when you drop in there, you see it also in here, and from there we will say, hey, do we see it in our application? See this one, and now we say under assets we don't have to say anything else, it's just test1 JPEG, and you can't see it there. That's why assets test1 JPEG. Oh, it's there. And that's the big difference between Angular 18 and Angular 16. In Angular 18 the later files are not shown. So this is a great tool. I would like to work with it.